When did you stop thinking we're worth it?
When did you begin to think we deserve it?
In South Africa,
40% of men have hit their partners.
In South Africa, women are 5 times more likely to be killed on account of their gender
Than any other women worldwide.
In South Africa, 51% of women have experienced violence at the hands of their partner.
in South Africa,
Every 3 hours, a woman is killed.
We deserve
better.
It's time to stand with women.
It's time to stand up.
For women. Big steps.
and small steps.
It's time to support women with L'Oréal Paris.
And power.
It is time to remind South Africa that
We're worth it.